Hey guys, your favorite realtor, Stacey Carnes-Stricker here. Your iconic realtor of Elk City. I just called it Stacey Carnes-Stricker with the United Country OK Sunset Realty and Auctions. I'm just curious, how many people listen to what we say in these videos? Comment and let me know if you're listening or if you watch the videos with the sound off. Here we are today at 1122 West Avenue C. Just curious if we're catching your attention. Guys, we're on a corner lot here, and right next to us, there's a fire hydrant. Just your tip of the day, when you're getting homeowners insurance, you need to tell your insurance agent there's a fire hydrant. It'll lower your insurance bill. Okay, this one, so many updates, y'all, so many. I love this house. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, everything's been redone. We're talking electrical, we're talking plumbing, even to the main line. And then they restored the hardwood floors, which I absolutely love. So here we are, nice, large living room as you walk in. It has these large windows, so it puts off great natural light. I don't even have the blinds open all the way. Most of the windows have even been replaced in this house. Central heat and air, shingles. I mean, you just keep going on. I love this dining room. You have this archway here, and then this built-in buffet, so you can display dishes or whatever. Do you know, like, younger people don't even register for China anymore? Hayden, do you know what China is? Do you? Because, I try to take Hayden's funny story to the country dev here, and they're like, our special today is dressing. Long story short, Hayden was like, what is dressing? He thought it was like ranch was the special. Anyway, okay, kitchen. Look how big this kitchen is. New cabinets, again, not refurbished cabinets, new cabinets, solid surface, countertop, great space. This is so large, you could even do an island in here if you want. We have pantry here. Pantry. And you guys, you can even put like the pull-outs in these. You can buy those pretty much anywhere, Amazon, whatever. But great space. So we're going to start on this side of the house. So you have laundry room here. And then Caden's going to take you into this bathroom. I love this. It's got a glass tile shower. And I love that vanity too. But check out that shower. Isn't that cool? So it's got the cutout with the nook in there where you can put like your shampoo and conditioner, soap, whatever. But that's a large shower. They did a great job on that. So then off of that, this space used to be the garage. This now could be a 4th bedroom, could be a 2nd living room, man cave, exercise room, office, whatever you need. So what's also great about this space is it has your storm shelter. Hayden's gonna head down here now. That is the entire size of this room. So there is a ton of space. So also great storage use there. So you can put your Christmas stuff there or whatever. But in Oklahoma, we like our hidey holes. It's a big deal. But this is like I said, a bonus space that can be whatever you're needing. So coming back through here, come down the hallway, and then we have a large bathroom. This bathroom, again, completely redone. You have a double vanity, and guys, this is tall. I like the height on this. Double sinks, you've got the double mirrors. And then if you need more room, you want to add more storage, you have this whole wall that you can do that. Then you have this linen cabinet here. Then you have the oversized jetted tub, and then the tile that goes all the way up. I love the floors in here. The house has been repainted. It's a good neutral color. And then each bedroom, they are very spacious. Empty rooms always look a little bit smaller. These are really good size. Love the little bookshelves over there. And then look how cute they did on this closet. Put in the wallpaper in here. Isn't that fun? And then we have more linen storage here. And another spacious guest bedroom. This is bedroom number 2. Again, hardwood floors. This one has 2 windows. Now in the primary bedroom, they just installed this new carpet, a good neutral color. And again, this is a large bedroom. And guys, we also have a very large closet in here. So great space. Perfect. Did I mention this is in a great neighborhood as well? Okay, let's go to this backyard. Again, it's on a corner lot. And so you're on a lot and a half. There is an above ground pool that's been partially buried. So this patio can be dual purpose. You can use it as a carport if you wanted to. As Caden swings around, you can see that there is an automatic garage door. So if you wanted to pull a vehicle in here, you can when it gets maybe like hail season or whatever. Or you can use this as a covered patio. So the fence is taller on the neighbor side, so you can see it's an 8-foot fence to give you extra privacy around the pool area. There is a deck over here by the pool. And then coming this way, we have a storage shed. And then, of course, in the summertime, it's beautiful back here. We've got pictures online from the homeowners when they lived here in the summer with the grass that was green and lush. And then you do have mature trees. So it's just a beautiful house. Guys, give me a call. I would love to show you this property, 580-821-4804. All right, let me take pictures of this shed.